How to keep mosquitoes and gnats away. Mosquitoes and gnats can sometimes make spending time outdoors a miserable experience. Working in the garden or even enjoying a glass of tea with friends turns into a battle when bugs take over. Heavy clothing may keep the insects from biting, but are uncomfortable and may lead to overheating of the body. Commercial sprays are available to rid the insects, but can cause harm to the environment. Stay natural and cool by taking a few appropriate steps. Things you will need: lawnmower, citronella or lemongrass oil, rosemary leaves, rice vinegar, spray bottle. Cut the lawn often and remove weeds. Mosquitoes, gnats and other insects live and hide in tall grasses and weeds. Keep the grass at a short length with regular cutting. Drain or dry up any standing water in the area. Mosquitoes and gnats breed in water. Removing their breeding ground limits their presence. Burn citronella or lemongrass oil. Whether in candle form or an oil burner, these substances naturally repel mosquitoes, gnats and other flying insects. Spray the area with a homemade repellent. Mix 1 cup of crushed rosemary leaves with 3/4 cup of rice vinegar and allow to sit for 2 or 3 days, stirring or shaking daily. Spray the mixture in the yard and surrounding areas to repel mosquitoes and gnats. Tips. Warnings. Protect pets by applying garlic oil to their fur. The garlic masks the smell of blood, removing the attraction for the insects. Do not allow pets to come in contact with burning citronella or lemongrass oil.